morning, one and all. Myself Saranya. I am from grade 8 Laurel High Global School. Today I am here to present a topic which is called El Nino and La Nina. First of all, to understand this topic, we have to learn what is ENSO, E-N-S-O. E-N stands for El Nino, S-O stands for Southern Oscillation. To understand this ENSO, we have to divide three phases. First one is neutral phase, second one is El Nino, and third one is La Nina. What is El Nino? In Spanish, literally, El Nino means little boy. It warms the surface of the Pacific Ocean in the eastern equatorial Pacific that occurs periodically around Christmas time. That means winter. Southern oscillation. When we look at the term oscillation, something oscillates from one place to another, which means it moves back and front in a rhythm. It's the ocean temperature that oscillates back and front from the warm to cold temperature. Here we are talking about the Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean. This exists on the western side of the American continent and eastern side of Asian and Australian continent. And this large pool of water gets intensely warm due to the fact that it exists right below the equatorial. Neutral phase. This is the first phase of ENSO. In this phase, the central Pacific Ocean is warm. Trade winds. These winds that blows in the tropical region from eastern side to the western side. They are also known as tropical easterlies. The trade winds pushes warm ocean car towards the Asian side because the trade winds blow from east to west. El Nino. This is the second phase of ENSO. Here the trade winds are weak so that they don't get any kind of push. So they will move they'll move slowly towards the central and eastern side of the Pacific Ocean. And here the cold water settles down in the deep ocean. La Nina. This is the third and last phase of ENSO. Here the trade winds are really strong so that it pushes from east side to west side of the Pacific Ocean. The cold water in the deep ocean, so that means the surface of the ocean is warm. Now if the trade winds pushes the warm surface current towards the western Pacific Ocean, and this term is called thermocline. Pictures. Comparison. Summary. ENSO divided into three parts. Three phases. Neutral phase, El Nino and La Nina. The main region affected with ENSO are around New Zealand, Australia and Indonesia in the eastern side. In the western side regions around Peru and Lima, which is in South America. El Nino is a warm ocean current and La Nina is a cold ocean current. Website I used for images. Thank you for listening.